we have in here today?
It's a 31 Model A Ford with a Chevrolet 406 small block in it. It's board cammed and decked at 11.5 to 1 compression. Got a 700 R4 automatic in it. Shift kit B&M. Got a Ford 8.8 rear end with a locker. Obviously triangulated 4-link in the back. Disc brakes all 4 corners. 17-gallon fuel tank, which it needs. I get about 110 miles out of that. It sucks down the gas. Got twin 650 carburetors on it, so it's a gas hog. But
What made this be your choice?
I love it. I've always wanted a Model A rat rod truck, and when I found this one, it had been extended 10 inches to fit somebody my size. So and it had already been chopped, but I bought it, tore it down to the frame, and built everything. Every single nut, bolt, and washer on this thing has been gone through and built. So I bought it in November, and it's been a labor of love, but I got it done pretty quick so we could get out and enjoy it this summer.
What's some of the things that happened to you while you were building this out?
Everything. Well, the first thing, like I said, the rear end had locked up on it about a week and a half after I bought it, and I tore the rear end down and put that in. While I was in there, I went ahead and built a whole new suspension for it in the back. And then the engine was losing oil pressure, so I went and bought a bare block and started from scratch with the engine. The stock transmission, or the TH350 transmission that it had in there, couldn't handle the horsepower of that engine, so I put a B&M Street Fighter in it and tore it apart and built it too. But it was just one thing after the other. Every little thing that I did, I wanted to make sure it was perfect. So I made all new wiring harness, brake lines, fuel lines, suspension. Like I said, everything on this truck is. I wanted to keep it classic looking. I wanted to have a rat rod, but the engine be kind of like the diamond in the rough or the pearl inside the oyster, you know. But it's got boat seats in it, like bass boat seats in it, so it's still rat rodish, but all the modern amenities. No power steering, no power brakes, no cruise control, no AC, no nothing. It's just an engine.
For those that don't know what a rat rod is, what is that?
A rat rod is kind of something like, if you see, like, right, you know, they made these cuts in there. They didn't weld that down and finish it up. It's got weather stripping on it. It's got Bondo, the body lines. It's rough. It's a real rough. Most rat rods are kind of rusty, but it's not a hot rod. If you were to take this and do all the body work to it and really make it nice, you'd have a hot rod. But a rat rod is just kind of something that's thrown together. The bed on this is just pine. Screwed down to some spars in there, but the back window is plexiglass and some kind of like shoddy foam weather stripping holding it in place. But like I said, it's kind of piecemealed together. Back in the day, everybody just took what they had and could find real cheap and threw it together and made a good running muscle car, and that was a rat rod. But to me,
first project?
Oh no, I've been building cars and bikes for years, but this is my favorite project thus far, though. So the block's been decked, the heads have been decked, so I've got really close valve clearance, so I can only run a 500 lift cam in there, but it's got a beast of a cam.